Hello and welcome to Moving Violations. This is Russ LeBlanc, NEC consultant for ECNM Magazine. So this is NM cable installed here under this overhang. And you can see this light, and there's actually several lights here. They're all wired with NM cable. Now I would say this location would meet the definition of a damp location. It's protected from weather a little bit, not subject to saturation, but definitely subject to moderate degrees of moisture, such as humidity. You get high humidity here, and certainly a wind-driven rain could cause that kind of moisture. And 334.12b4 does not permit NM cable to be installed in wet or damp locations like this. So UF cable would have been a better choice here.